Hello and welcome to this training course on sending a secure message via the Secure Exchanges online portal. In this video, we'll take you step by step through how to effectively protect your communications. Let's get started. To get started, make sure you're logged into our online portal. If you don't already know how to do this, watch our video on connecting to the online portal on our training platform or on our YouTube channel. Once logged in, select the Send a Secure Message tab. Enter your recipient's email address in the field provided. To add other recipients, click on Add Recipient. You can also rearrange the order of recipients by holding down and moving the box containing the email address. Add a clear and precise subject for your email. Then write your message in the text box provided. If you wish to include attachments, click on the drop box to add them. You can insert multiple files. To request a signature on added documents, click to get signature, and define the required signature fields. In addition to signatures, you can generate a document deposit envelope to retrieve confidential information from your recipients. To do this, click on the Envelope button. This option enables your contact to securely deposit documents directly into your space. A video explaining how to generate and use this envelope is also available on our training platform and on our YouTube channel. Number of openings allowed. Define the number of openings allowed before the message is automatically destroyed. Password protection. You can secure your communication with a password that you'll need to pass on separately to the recipient. Enter the password in the dedicated box. You have several options for sending your message, depending on the level of security required. Option 1, Email. The message is sent directly by email. Option 2, SMS. The message is sent by text message. Option 3, Email plus SMS code. The message is sent by email and protected by an SMS code sent to the recipient. Option 4, SMS plus email code. The message is sent by text message and protected by a code received by email. Choose the language in which the recipient will receive the message. This ensures better comprehension and ease of access for the recipient. Once your message has been finalized and attachments added, click on Send, and the document will be forwarded to the recipient, who will be able to access it via the secure link contained in the email or SMS. In the window that appears once your message has been sent, you'll see a small colored check mark. If the check mark is green, everything is correct, and the message has been sent. If the check mark is red, the message has encountered an error during transmission. In this case, be sure to check the message details and try again. If you wish to revoke access to a sent message, you can destroy it immediately. Simply click on the trash can icon. This will prevent the recipient from opening the message or accessing attachments. Copy the secure link. If you prefer to send the secure link via another channel, you can copy the link and send it by other means than email. Now you know how to send a secure message and create a deposit envelope with Secure Exchanges. It couldn't be easier. Secure Exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.